Yes guys, so today we've got a different video than I usually do. Obviously with COVID restrictions, it's thinking of video ideas, stuff like that is quite hard. You can go on walks and stuff, but you're supposed to stick to your local area, so it's hard to, you know, come up with an interesting video idea. So I thought today I'd let you into my life a little bit, let you know what I do as a career, and I've got some packages that have come which are to do with my job. Now my job at the moment, or my job as a career, what I do, I'm not able to do at the moment because of COVID. So I'm a barber, and obviously everyone in the UK knows that that's just a no-go at the moment. My boiler's just kicked in, if you've just heard that. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be unpackaging some items that I've ordered off Amazon for when we get kick-started back into being able to cut people's hair again. So I've just realised I've also forgot a knife, so I'll be back in a minute. We've got the Chief unboxing knife, boom. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing these glasses and not the ones that I usually wear, it's because the ones that I usually wear have actually snapped this morning, so I've got to wear these for the time being, but I have ordered some new glasses last Friday, so they should be here soon. So hopefully I won't be wearing these very much, because I wear these when I go out, like to a nice fancy meal or whatever, so not really the type of glasses that you rock every day. So this one's I've already like slightly opened. This one is a bit of a boring package. Not many people actually will probably know what this is unless you're a barber, but it's clipicide spray. What this does, it kills bacteria or any sort of germicidal, fungicidal, didn't even know that was a word. Right, do not judge me here because this is a long word. Pseudomonicidal, virucidal and tuberculocidal, whatever. It kills fucking germs. So if anyone has any like contradictions on their heads, like lice or ringworm or any sort of, you know, thing, and I'm cutting the hair, I would say anyway that I wouldn't cut the hair. But if you don't notice it, for example, if it's unnoticeable, if you haven't noticed it, which you check before every haircut for contraindications, if you haven't noticed it for any reason, at the end of every haircut you spray your clippers with these anyway, because it kills all bacteria, it kills all infections and stuff like that. I've never used it for anything else other than clippers, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. But yeah, that's what clipicide is for. You've got barbicide as well, which if you go to a barber, lads, or if you're a girl and you've been to a barber shop, like taking your kids, or if you get some girls now, I've done a couple where you get the undercut at the back and you get a pattern shaved in. You'll have seen like a blue jar with clippers, and I think they put the scissors in. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure they do. But that's barbicide, the blue stuff, and then this is clipicide for your clippers. Let's get into the interesting packages. There's something in here that I'm actually buzzing it's called. I'll open the best last. So there is some balls stuff, and I think I've just stabbed something. Oh, I've just seen the best. I don't want you to see it though. This, actually, that's quite good. So I'll save that. Bust my lip. I've just actually bust my lip. Oh, God's sake, that's a good start. I'll put links to all these for if there's any barbers watching this. I presume there's going to be a lot of barbers watching this unless you're already subscribed to it, because this is going to be a barber video, so it's going to come up with barber suggestions. So I'll put links in the description to all these products. Spade brushes, so I've got 3 spade brushes, because these fucking things go missing all the time. If you're a barber as well, because I'm just going to throw this out there, I love just scrolling through Instagram, just looking at people's cuts. If you've got a YouTube channel and you post YouTube videos, all in the comments below, put your Instagram, I'll follow you. Put your channel, I'll just click on your channel. Just if you upload videos, just comment I upload videos, so check my channel out, and I'll subscribe to you if you like your barbering content, because I just love watching it, looking on Instagram. This is another boring one but important. Barber again will understand why you've got to have this clipper oil to oil the blades on your clippers, because otherwise you're just going to jack your clippers up with like in a week into using them. So yeah, always oil your clippers. This is Wall clipper oil. Any barbers know how good Wall is as well. It's like the fucking home brand. It's like the global brand for being a barber. But yeah, Wall clipper oil. Right, I'll show you this now. I don't like when my apartment makes random noises for no reason, because I'm a bit of a pussy when it comes to fucking ghosts and shit. It's upside down. It's a gown with like a scully barber guy on it, so it's, you know, like a barber gown to stop hair going on you. I'll give it a try on. You know, like I've got a poncho on. But yeah, it might be on a bit wonky because it's hard to put one on yourself. Yeah, it's just pinged off. But yeah, this is the clipper gown, the gown for stopping hair. So yeah, all the links will be in the description because that is a cool gown. I like that. Now, we saved the best for last, honestly. Buzzing. Don't know the brand, but it's a detailer. DC and rechargeable hair clipper, charging time 2 hours, full power can be used for about 180 minutes, which is 3 hours with charging indicator light. Basically, you've got your, let me just go and get. So basically, this is my kit bag. Basically, you have these clippers which are like for your hair. These are some weird make, I don't know what they are, but they're cordless. Kemei cordless, that's a really good. So they're for like your hair and your fading, and you fade on your head. These are detailers with like around your ears, back of the neck, stuff like that. Doing beards with is good with these. And you can actually put the line in, the original line for your fade, which is what my barber actually does, because I like to go to a barber as well. The box is nice. I'm into that. I don't know if that's fucking focusing. I went with they're not very expensive anyway, but you can get some for like 20 quid or 25 quid. These were 26, but they look really good. Look at them. This is with them turned on. So they've got a number indicator that I presume that is the charge. And they charge from the bottom with the cord. I can't wait to use these. The weight in them's good, but you could tell if you dropped them they wouldn't just be breaking straight away, but they've also got a similar picture onto the gown I've got actually. And then there's a picture on the back. Oh, I can't wait to use these. Absolutely buzzing with that. So yeah, that's my barber career unboxing of stuff that I've bought off Amazon. If you like this style video or any barbers out there, like I said earlier, comment below, like and subscribe. See you on the next video.